Our voice may be the sword of our minds, but our actions are its dynamite. The sword can be as sharp as the words are concise, but also the sword can be blunt if the words are merely loud. The dynamite can move mountains and demolish the very structures of oppression if our actions are unified and precise. Be wary of those that speak of justice, but only know vengeance. We must be conscientious as not to become the incendiary saboteur. He may wear the uniform of the engineer. He may know the reach of his actions, but he does not know the power of unity and precision. He does not know when or how to sheath his sword. But it is essential that these individuals are not cast out or isolated. Truly virtuous is the warrior who reforges his weaknesses and in the process hones his greatest strengths. But we are nothing without examples to live by. There must be light bearers and there must be paragons in this regard. Know these words to be precise. Know my intention is to cut to mine own heart and yours alike, so that we may bleed out and know just as our hearts are both beating, our blood is both red. It is our shared pain and suffering that binds us. Because we are all bleeding together, we must all demand action, and we must all be leaders by example. This is a call to action.